Okay, here's a quick overview of the Briggs Stratton P2000 part Power Smart Series generator. This is an inverter type generator. It's a direct competitor to the Honda EU2000i, not the EU2000i companion, but just the EU2000i. Very concealed, muffler's concealed, everything's concealed. So real quick, this side panel here conceals the air filter, which is on this side, and then the oil check area and the filler on this side. This hatch here shows the spark plug. We have the control panel here, so we have our output indicator, overload alarm, and our low oil light. So those are lights you want to watch. 12-volt cigarette lighter, which is handy for cell phones, and this also serves a purpose for the battery charger option that this generator has. Obviously the ground, and then a 120 volt 20 amp circuits there. It does have the power smart mode on this thing. What this does is essentially gives you the option to run the generator at full capacity, which let's say is 4,000 RPMs. And if you want to save some fuel and you don't need all the power that the generator has, you click that on. It drops it down to 2,000 RPMs or so, and it saves you some fuel. If it needs that power, the generator can sense that, and it'll kick it back up to that 4,000 RPMs. Let's say it's 4,000 RPMs, just hypothetical. And then once it doesn't, it kicks it back off. You do want to start this and stop this with the Power Smart mode off. Also, if you're getting a lot of draw, if you're going to use a saw or something big, leave that Power Smart mode off. It's not good for either appliance. Alright, we're going to start this thing up here. Going to show you, make sure that the vent cap is open. It does have a fuel indicator inside. It's inside the cap. It's kind of concealed. A lot of these are, that's just the way they are. You got to open up the lid. We're going to turn the generator on. That turns the fuel and the electricity on, and we're going to give it a pull. Starts up real easy. Starts up real nice. We're going to hit the Power Smart mode, and you're going to see, you're going to hear the difference in RPMs. So that kicks it down to that about half. Definitely just speaking mode, which is, or speaking decibels, which is about 52 decibels. It's very easy to talk to. You're realistically not going to be standing above the generator anyways while you use it. So, I mean, some of you tailgaters might, but it's quiet enough to do that. It's probably not as quiet. This generator is probably not as quiet as the Honda EUs, but honestly, it's half the price. So, Briggs Stratton is a good product. These motors have been tested over the last several years, and so I think it's going to do good for us. I like how everything's concealed, air filter's concealed, everything's just concealed. There's nothing to break, So yeah, that's my quick overview. I hope you enjoy it, and if you got the generator, I hope you enjoy the generator.